Overpaid balance allows parents to store up funds with a school. These funds are stored in the parent's wallet and can be used to make future payments in the school where it was generated. When you receive an invoice and choose to honor it, enter the amount you paid, usually an amount higher than the amount on the invoice. Upload your proof of payment after selecting the document type. In the summary, you can inform the school that you would be storing up funds with them by making an overpayment. Once accepted and uploaded, the invoice will bear a processing status. And the owing balance will still display the amount of the generated invoice until the payment has been verified by the school. Once the invoice has been accepted and verified by the school, the amount of the invoice will be deducted from the owing balance. The overpaid balance would reflect the surplus from the payment, which has been stored in the parent's wallet. On the Invoice tab, the status of the invoice will reflect that the parent overpaid, and the balance will be in the negative, indicating that the school owes the parent. Click on the Action button to view the invoice details. You will see the status in purple, showing that the parent overpaid and now has an overpaid balance with the school. Scrolling down, you will find the amount to be paid and the balance from the payment. And with that, the parent has successfully stored up funds with the school by making an overpayment.